Hi everyone, it's my bawb. Not a place name video today. I just want to say a few things. First of all, got to 100 subscribers on TikTok. So big thank you to everyone for supporting me with your likes and shares and subscribes. It means a lot. As we say in Wales, Diolch or galon. Thank you from the heart. I want to talk a bit about where I'm going with this stuff. So I'm thinking of doing some longer form videos on YouTube, going along some longer trails and talking about the history and mythology of places. Let me know in the comments if that's interesting. I've set up a Discord. I'll put the link to that in the comments or wherever I can. Really, you'll find it. It'd be cool if you could like and follow the other social media. So we're on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. I'll put some links to those in the description or the comments as well. And yeah.